second group of problems on this worksheet kind of walk me through the process and show me step by step how to do these problems. It's exactly the same way that it's going to be in your Cengage homework. So really I'm trying to leave the blanks the way they did and fill them in. So when I start off with a root problem, to rewrite that exponent, I need to see it as power over root. Even though there's no power written on the x, it's an understood 1. That's why in the fraction, the numerator is 1. The number on the root here is 7. That's why the denominator is 7th. So basically what we've done is rewritten something that's in the form of roots into a fractional exponent, power over root. When we now go to integrate, our integration rules are add 1 to the power, divide by the new power. So here, when I'm taking 1/7 and adding 1, I'm not adding 1 over 7, I'm adding 7 over 7. So 1/7 plus 7 over 7 gives me 8 over 7. Remember that whatever I get as the new power is also what I'm going to divide by. So I'm going to divide by 8 over 7. This plus c is always there as a constant of integration. When they say simplify, really what they want me to do is, because I'm dividing by a fraction, I want to flip it and multiply, and then I'm also going to take that power that's on x and change it back to powers and roots. So the final simplified form, when I take this 8/7, flip and multiply, I get 7 on top, 8 on bottom. When I rewrite this as powers and roots, it's 8th power under the 7th root. So the 7th root of x to the 8th power, and then I always need my plus c. For the second problem, it starts out as 6 over x to the 3rd dx. First thing they want you to do is pull out the constant. This 6 can go out front. I don't need to worry about it as I'm integrating. Second thing I need to do is rewrite this exponent. Instead of a positive 3 on bottom, it would be a negative 3 on top. Again, this 6 that stayed out front is still there, filling in that box. When I now apply the rules of integration, it used to be negative 3. I add 1 to it. Negative 3 plus 1 gives me negative 2. Whatever the new power is on x is also what I divide by. Cleaning this up a little, 6 divided by negative 2 gives me negative 3. I'm going to move this x to the power of negative 2 to the bottom as a positive exponent, so it's over x squared, and then still plus c.